Hey everyone, I'm Zach, your Baron Mini brand ambassador, and today I'm out here at Baron Mini on this beautiful day in Merriam, Kansas to show you two very special cars. These are the Central Region Package Mini Cooper S Clubman All4s, and what's special about these two cars is they have a port installed John Cooper Works tuning kit that comes with an upgraded ECU and the Pro exhaust, giving you 210 horsepower. Now they're both finished in white silver, which is a really cool color. They have the black roof, black mirrors, chrome trim. They have the LED rally lights as well. They have leatherette interiors with power seats, 8-speed sport automatics, and they're both fantastic vehicles. Let's show you some more features on these cars. So inside we have a John Cooper Works leather wrapped steering wheel with red stitching on the shift knob. These are the sport seats like I mentioned. They're leatherette, very durable. They're power seats, so you can adjust them any way you wish. Like I said here, 8-speed automatic transmission. It's a sport automatic, and you get paddle shifters on the steering wheel. Great looking interior, and because it's a Clubman, plenty of space in the back as well. You can fit 3 people back here comfortably. Classic barn doors at the back of the Mini Clubman, and what's cool about this, here's the button. Opens one door, you push it again, opens the other door. And plenty of cargo space back here. So you got a 60-40 split bench seat back here, and if you fold them down, you got plenty of cargo space right there. Also comes with all-weather floor mats, which haven't been installed yet, but you'll be able to keep all the dirt off your nice clean carpets. So under the bonnet you have the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder twin-power turbocharged engine, putting out normally 189 horsepower, but with the John Cooper Works tuning kit, these put out 210 horsepower. So 18 less than the John Cooper Works, but you still get plenty of fun. Right now, until the end of this month, if you buy this car with all the incentives that the sales manager has been able to give the customers, you can get these cars for $5,000 off. These cars normally retail for $42,950, so $5,000 off of all those incentives, you get them for $37,950. Great deal, and these are just fantastic minis to own. Anyway, if you're interested in these two cars, come out to Baron Mini between now and March 31st. Talk to Lisa, talk to Sammer. They'll be happy to help you out and get you into one of these vehicles today.